In this video, we're going to go over a couple of things, but first I want to let you know that I have moved to the latest released version of FreeCAD. So if you take a look, we can see I'm on version 1.0.1. That's the latest release. So again, I'm just staying up with the latest releases as they come out. I'm not going ahead and using dev releases because I want to make sure everybody can confidently use the version that I'm on. So that's my version. Once again, this is going to be just a quick video. I want to show you one thing, and the intention is that you can keep this video in your list, and when you want to do this, you can come back and just refer to it. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to take a part and we're going to split it in two. It's that simple. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go into the part design workbench. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to create a part, I'm going to create a body, and I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to create my sketch on the XY plane for no other reason than I can. And then I'm just going to draw something simple. I'm going to do it with a polyline. And we'll just go ahead and make something interesting like this. I'm not even going to dimension this. It doesn't matter what I create. It's more for illustration purposes. And once again, I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to straighten these pieces up. So I'm just going to select that until it's vertical. That one there didn't come out vertical, so we'll make that vertical as well. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to close that. And then I'm just going to hit revolve, and there's our part. That's all we're going to do for that. And now I'm going to show you how we split apart. So first thing I want to do is I want to have a plane that I can split it by. So I'm going to create a new plane. And then I'm going to select where that plane is attached. And it doesn't really matter. I'm going to attach it on the end here. Then I'm just going to rotate it through the x-axis. I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees. So I can literally just type in 90. And there you can see my plane goes right through the middle of my revolve. And that's all I need to do there. So I'm going to go into the part design, or the part workbench, not the part design, into part. So just a brief shout out. I just want to make sure everybody sees Dr. Julia Grace Patterson is working to improve the NHS. She's the chief executive of every doctor. And she started a new YouTube channel. It'd be great if you guys can subscribe to it. She's looking to do good things for the NHS in the UK. If you're not from the UK, it still is relevant to you because we want everybody to have socialized medicine so that everybody has access to medical care that they need. Thanks. And then I'm going to select my revolution, and I'm going to hold down shift, and I'm going to select my datum plane. So I have them both selected. And then in here, I'm going to say slice apart. That's all I want to do is I'm going to slice it apart. And when I do that, I can see I've got an exploded slice. Slice 1 and press spacebar. Slice 1 is off. I have half of it. And first time slice 1 was off. Oh, sorry, slice 0 was off. And now slice 1 is off. So this is slice 0. Pop slice 1 back on, turn off slice 0. There, now we've got less confusion. And so you can see I've sliced that part in half. That's all there is to it in this video. We're just going to show you how to do that quick. One thing I will tell you is if you want to take that out and 3D print it, you can export it. And when you export it as an STL, it'll just come out and you'll be able to use that in your slicer. So there it is, slicing a piece in half. Of course, you could slice it. It doesn't have to be directly down the middle. You slice it any way you like. Okay, one very quick video. If you've enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. That way you can see when we release new videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Love that. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And if you have any requests or anything that you would like to see, feel free to ask questions. I love to have people ask me how to do something because it gives me ideas about what quick videos I can do to help people out. And a lot of times if you send me something, I will help you and get it solved. I'm actually working with somebody right now to do some threaded inserts just because I think it's cool that everybody's using FreeCAD and I want to make sure that everybody can do it the best of their ability. So again, if you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that. If you want to join us on Patreon, you can do that. If you want to buy us a coffee, you can go on to coffee.com. I'll show the links here. And then let me know what you need, and I'll try and build it into the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.